Hi, my name is Daniela Manger. I'm the owner of Manger Audio. We are located in Germany. I continue the work of my father, which he actually starts in the late 60s. He's the inventor of the Manger Sound Transducer. We are happy that we can present the Manger technology presented here for the first time at the Axpona show with our model Manger P2. So the core technology is the Manger Sound Transducer, which is a bending wave driver. It's different to a piston-like driver because it doesn't store any energy, and it is a wideband transducer, which works from 360 Hz up to 45K. The big advantage is the combination of a wide frequency range and no energy storage. So it's very fast and open sounding with no technical artifacts. The P2 and all our other speakers are supported by a conventional woofer in the low end, and we have passive and active speaker models. Here we presented the P2 as a US debut, and we are happy that we are now with MoFi distribution here in the US, which we start last autumn. As a boutique manufacturer, we are able that we can offer all colors what you like, so that you can integrate it perfectly into your living room. It can be also done in several veneer finishes. Here we are showing the rosewood veneer. We are also doing ultra high gloss finishes. Until nowadays, we completely manufacture the Manger Sound Transducer in our manufacturing plant with high effort, and it's like a Swiss watchmaking precision transducer. Any part on the transducer, like the diaphragm, the voice coil, it's all made in-house. We are the only one in the world manufacturing these units, and we are still proud to offering this to passionate music lovers around the world.